Hey, if you want to see how I make this beauty go from this to this, then keep watching. Okay, so she's getting what we call a virgin relaxer. Technically, she does have a little bit of relaxer on her ends, but majority of it was cut off. So I am relaxing her hair in most of it, not all the way to the ends and the top. I did start with Nairobi's No Lie Relaxer because I didn't wasn't she said she does is a little sensitive sometimes, and it was her first, so we went with that. So after I shampooed, conditioned her really well, she did go in the dryer with her conditioner for some added nutrients, because if you can see before, her hair was really bad. So now I'm just kind of going in and cleaning up her cut, and I did start from right to left, and I'm just literally using the hair that I already cut as my guide. She's getting a pixie cut, so all of the hair will pretty much be the same length, and then the front will be slightly longer. The shears that I'm using is by Hanzo, and they are expensive. I believe these was like 600 and some dollars, but I will link some more affordable shears for any beginners or some people that just don't have the money to spend or want to spend that much, but you can still get a quality shear. And the main thing too is making sure that you are getting your shears sharpened on a regular basis. That will aid in a good haircut, and as well as the longevity of your shears. Now I'm just taking my Big Mag cordless clipper, and I am just cleaning up her sides, getting that sides really low. She was not shy about clippers at all. She says she's actually been completely shaved before, so I had full range in what I wanted to do, but I did ask her to show me some pictures just so I can kind of see, and I'm using main oil right here just so I can kind of get a feel of what she liked. But she was like, just give her something. And you can see right here, the haircut is the hairstyle, so you can absolutely, if your hair isn't styled, you can absolutely just wear your hair like this and you will be okay.
Me twice.
And I'm actually just kind of freestyle cutting, curling. This is my prototype flat iron, so I know y'all gonna ask. It's not for sale yet, and I don't have a link for it because it's not for sale yet. So as soon as I get that up and running and production is on the way, then you guys will know as well. But believe me, it's coming, honey. It's coming. So this is pretty much the look. I'm just kind of raking it out with my fingers so it's not like, so the curls aren't so defined and it's more of a kind of messy look. Uh, but I love it. She loved it. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all comment. You ain't even got to say a lot. Just say, hey girl, love the hair or whatever. Just comment something so it lets the algorithm know that this video is a quality video and people like it and people want to see it so that they'll push it out. Because as you guys know, I am diversifying my content. So the algorithm is a little bit confused right now. So we just want to let the algorithm know that y'all still care about me. So y'all, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.